current globalized economy, professional efficacy is predicted on more than just technical proficiency. It requires a nuanced command of interpersonal dynamics. For professionals operating at an international level, Business English serves as a strategic tool for managing stakeholder expectations, interpreting corporate ambiguity, and articulating complex strategies with precision and diplomacy. A truly productive workday is rarely a byproduct of chance. Rather, it is the result of rigorous prioritization and time management. Upon arriving at their workstation, seasoned professionals don't just check emails, they triage their correspondence. This involves distinguishing between routine administrative tasks and high-priority inquiries that necessitate immediate follow-up. In high-stakes environments, the ability to adhere to stringent deadlines is non-negotiable. A failure to deliver on a commitment can trigger a bottleneck, where a single delay obstructs the entire workflow of a department. To mitigate this risk, employees often leverage project management software to monitor milestones and ensure their output remains aligned with the company's broader quarterly objectives. Collaboration in the modern era has evolved beyond simple teamwork. It is now about fostering cross-functional synergy. Throughout a typical business cycle, you will likely be expected to facilitate or participate in briefings, meetings, or presentations, where diverse departments such as HR, marketing, and business development align their strategic visions and/or talk about meeting KPIs, key performance indicators. The physical landscape of the office, incorporating open plan layouts and breakout areas, is designed to stimulate informal knowledge sharing. This is where social capital is built. The time spent in the communal break room is not merely downtime. It is an opportunity for high-level networking. Engaging in sophisticated small talk allows professionals to establish rapport and build a foundation of trust. These informal relationships often prove invaluable when it comes to conflict resolution or negotiating internal resources, as they provide a bridge between different levels of the corporate hierarchy. Do you work in an office? Do you like it? What is the typical day at the office like for you? Tell me in the comments below.